I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Gemini app on your home screen. This simple guide will help you quickly access AI assistance directly from your device. Having Gemini on your home screen means less searching and more doing, making your daily tasks smoother. We will walk through the specific steps for both Android and iOS, ensuring you can set this up no matter your phone type. Let's get started and enhance your mobile experience. For Android users, getting Gemini on your home screen is straightforward. First, open the Gemini app on your device. Look for the three dots menu, usually located in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you will see an option to add to home screen. Select this, and then confirm your choice by tapping Add. The Gemini icon will then appear on your home screen, ready for instant use. If you are an iOS user, the process involves using Safari. Begin by opening the Gemini app within your Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Once the app is open, locate and tap the share icon. This icon typically looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. A menu will pop up. Scroll down until you find the Add to Home Screen option. Tap this and then confirm by tapping Add in the top right corner. You're all set. Now that you have the Gemini app on your home screen, you can enjoy instant access to its powerful AI capabilities. No more searching through app drawers or typing in browser addresses. Just a single tap gets you straight to Gemini. This small change makes a big difference in convenience, streamlining your daily interactions and saving you valuable time. And speaking of making things easier, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your enhanced productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.